Hey guys, I'm in Publix. This is the sales week of October 7th through the 13th or October 8th through the 14th. I'm going to try to get in and out of the store within like 30 minutes. I have a couple things to grab. I do have to catch a plane and go back home for the weekend, and there's no Publix where I'm at. So I'm trying to get in here and do some of the deals because the next day I would be able to do them would be Tuesday, and that's not going to work because the new sales week would begin on Wednesday. The first items I'm going to grab are two of these Dove shampoo and conditioner, 1-in-1. This week they are $2 off. They're also 2 for $7. I'm going to use these two coupons. I'm going to use this $2 off of any two from the Publix Green Flyer and this $2 off of any two Dove hair care products. I printed this from their website. It's going to take off $4. It's going to leave me to pay $3, and then I'm going to get back $1 for each one on Ibotta, making it a final cost of $1. The rebate on Ibotta does expire, I believe, at the end of today. So just scan your items in store to make sure they still attach or if the rebate is still available. Next deal I'm going to grab. These Dove deodorants are priced at $4.99 this week. I'm going to grab two at $9.98. I'm going to use this $2.50 off of two any Dove deodorant products. This came out on coupons.com a couple days ago. I believe it's still available, so if you want to print it, you can go ahead over there. Then I'm going to use this $2 off of two from the Publix Green Savings Flyer. It's going to take off $4.50. It's going to bring me down to $5.49. This is a Unilever product, so I'm going to go ahead and scan this receipt to fetch. I am like $9 or a little bit over $9 away from getting another 10,000 points, which is equal to $10 on fetch. So it's going to make these free, and it's going to cover some of my out-of-pocket costs for some of the items I'm going to grab. Next item I'm going to grab 12 of these Gerber baby foods. These are buy 12, get $5 off. And then we have these $1.50 off of any 4 Gerber puree tubs. I also printed this off of coupons.com. This has been out for probably about a month, and every time it resets, I print it out. I will link down below if it's still available. So I'm going to pick up, it says second foods. If the first foods were included, it would have been a lot cheaper, like $4 cheaper, I think. I'm going to pick up 12 of these at $1.39. It's going to bring my total to $16.68 minus the $5. It's going to bring me down to $11.68. I'm going to use 3 of these coupons, which is a total of $4.50. It's going to take off $4.50 and bring me down to $7.18. Fetch has a 4,000 bonus points when you buy 10. A final cost of $3.18. 4,000 points on Fetch is equal to $4. Next deal I'm going to grab 4 of these Earth's Best Organic Baby Food. They are buy one get one free at $1.39. I'm going to pick up 4 for $2.78. I'm going to use this $1 off of any 3. I printed this from their website. You have to go to the website, sign up, they'll send you an email, and then you just confirm your email and they'll send you a coupon. So that's going to bring my total down to $1.78. I'm going to get $1 back on Ibotta. You have to buy 3 and Ibotta will give you back $1. It's going to bring my cost down to 78 cents or about 19 cents per jar, which is a really good deal. If you are in the baby section and you need diapers, this week Huggies and Pull-Ups are buy 2 get $5 off. 2 of these will bring you to $19.98. The $5 off will bring you down to $14.98. We have a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that will expire on Sunday. It will bring you down to $11.98. There are some Ibotta rebates for $1 back on bagged diapers. That'll bring you down to $9.98, and then 2 of them will cost you about $4.99 each. If you have Fetch Rewards is offering some points back on Huggies diapers also, so that'll bring your out-of-pocket even lower. I don't have the Ibotta rebate for $1 off. Mine never reset, so I'm not going to grab these today, but if you need diapers, they're a decent price here at Publix this week. Next item I'm going to grab, you guys, a repeat deal again. I've been doing this every time it resets because it's a moneymaker. I'm going to pick up 4 of these at $3.79. It's going to bring my total to $15.16. I have 2 $1.50 off of one and 2 $1 off of one. I printed these from the Ibotta Text website. I'm going to use 2 of these 4 off of 2 from the Publix Green Flyer. That's going to take off $13 from the $15.16. It's going to leave me to pay $2.16 out of pocket, and then I'm going to get back $8 on Ibotta. Always, again, make sure to scan your product in store to make sure you have a rebate available. It's going to make this a $5.84 moneymaker. Okay, next products I'm going to pick up 2 of these Glucerna mini treat bars. These are priced at $5.49 in my store. I'm going to pick up 2 at $10.98. They're buy 2 get $3 off this week. We also have a $3 off of 2 in the Publix Green Savings Flyer. And then I'm going to use 2 of these $3 off of 1. I signed up on their website and I got a link to this coupon. There's a $4 off of 2 manufacturer out, and I believe a $5 off of 2 manufacturer out. So mine is going to take off $12 from $10.98, making 2 of these $1.02 moneymaker. Next item I'm going to pick up one of these Jergens Ultra Healing. They're priced at $4.09 in my store. They are 25% off. That's going to take off $1.02. Bring my total down to $3.07. I'm going to use this $2 off of one manufacturer coupon that came in the Sunday's paper. That's going to bring my total down to $1.07 as the final cost. There's no rebate for this or anything, but that's actually really cheap, and I really like this lotion. Last and final item I'm going to grab 2 of these Ritz cheese crispers. They're buy one get one free at $3.69, and then we have $1 off of one in the Publix app. That's going to bring me down to $2.69, and then Ibotta is going to give me $1 back for each one, making it a final cost of 69 cents for both, or about 35 cents each. Okay guys, so this is everything I'm grabbing at Publix this week. Those are all the coupons I'm using. I'm getting 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13 back on Ibotta. I'm getting back 4,000 points for the Gerber food, and I should get an extra 10,000 points for spending another $30 on Unilever products in a grocery store. So I'm going to go ahead, go to the register, check out, and then I'll go over the receipt with you guys whenever I get home and tell you the final cost for everything. Okay guys, I made it back home from Publix. These are all of the items I picked up. They're 29 items. I showed them to you in the cart. All of my paper coupons, manufacturer coupons, all of the instant savings from the Publix green flyer. Everything came off just fine. I only had one digital coupon, which was for the Ritz, and that came off also. I'm just going to go ahead and go over the receipt because I went over all these deals with you guys in store. At the top are the Earth's Best baby food. I picked up 4. This week they were buy one, get one free. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of the U by Kotex. The Ritz Cheese Crispers were buy one, get one free. The Glucina Mini Treats were $5.49 each. They were on a promotion for $3 off this week when you buy 2. Jergens Lotion was priced at $4.09. They were 25% off this week, took off $1.02. There is one of the Dove shampoos, and here's the other one down here. They're 2 for $7. These 2 are the Dove deodorants. We're priced at $4.99. And then I picked up 12 of the Gerber baby foods, and they're on a promotion this week for when you buy 12, you get $5 off. There are the 2, $4 off of 2 you buy Kotex from the Publix green flyer. This is a $3 off of 2 from the Publix green flyer. $3 and $3 are the off of the Glucina products that I printed from their website. We also have manufacturer coupons that are out right now. I think it's $5 off of 2, if I'm not mistaken. Here's a $2 off of 2 Dove shampoo or any hair care product, $2.50 off of the Dove deodorants, $2 off of the Jergens lotion. Then these are the $2 off of 2 from the Publix green flyer. That includes the shampoo, the deodorant, and the body wash. Here's 2 of the $1.50 off of you by Kotex. Here's another $1.50 off. What is that? 4 Gerber baby food. That's $1 off you by Kotex. $1.50 off of Gerber baby food when you buy 4. You buy Kotex. $1 off of the Earth Best baby food. $1.50 off of the Gerber baby food because I had 3 of those. So 1, 2, 3 is for the Gerber baby food. 1, 2 is for the You by Kotex. And then the last one down here is for the Ritz. It was a digital coupon. My subtotal was $22.34. With tax, it was $25.68. I had a total savings of $57.06. In rebates, I got back a total of $27.83. I got back 4,000 points for buying 10 Gerber baby foods on Fetch, and then I got back another 33 cents for like the Gerber food, the You by Kotex, and the Dove. It's all part of Fetch as well, so it gives you a little bit of points here and there. So I got back $4.33 when I scanned the receipt, and then I got an extra 10,000 points, which is equal to $10 for spending another $30 on Unilever products in a grocery store. So that's $14.33 I got back on Fetch, and then I got back $13.50 on Ibotta. I got back $8 for the You by Kotex. I got back $2 for the Dove hair care, $2 for the Ritz cheese crispers, and then I got a 50-cent bonus for reaching my October level 1 bonus. So subtotal after all my rebates, that makes all of these items a $5.59 moneymaker. After my tax, this is still a $2.23 moneymaker. I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you get to make your way out to Publix this week if you have one in your area and grab some of these deals. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.